Hi everyone, Scott of the Scott Man, and we are out here near Holly, Michigan, northwestern part of Oakland County at Seven Lakes State Park. We're going to head out for a nice little hike in the woods today and check out some of the cool lakes that are all throughout the park. So with this video, I'll be showing you some cool things you could do here at the state park. So let's head out. So what we're going to be doing, first part of the video, I'm over near the Dickinson Shelter. That's where I started the video, just down that road over there. Not far from Dickinson Lake, but we're going to be doing the many trails here. There should be some very cool viewpoints out throughout the trail, so it'd be really cool to explore this beautiful trail. And over there, that is Little Seven Lakes, one of the lakes here in the park. Yeah, very peaceful back in here. Yeah, one word of caution, especially in the summer, bring bug spray. I'm glad I did because I've seen like dozens of mosquitoes, and I've just started this hike. Yeah, holy cow, it's like the mosquitoes think the bug spray is candy or something because they are not falling for it. I've never seen so many mosquitoes on a hiking trail in my life. But yeah, although I will admit though, I did put a lot on, and there's hardly any on my arm. Hardly see anything around my arms, more around my face, because I don't know how to apply bug spray around my face very well. I just tapped some on, and apparently they're like, ha ha ha. It's like, we're not falling for that one, Scott Man. Yeah, this is a pretty steep hill here, but it's a pretty cool trail nevertheless though, but it's like you need to wear a mosquito net here. Now we're finally out in the open, and I think we got away from those pesky mosquitoes. They're all on that trail, but now that I'm out in the open space here, yeah, they finally gone away. I put a little bit more bug spray on just to see if maybe I keep them at bay. But yeah, we're here at Dickinson Lake, and this is really, really cool. Walked over to the boat launch area for it. Well, it's a nice hike, I have to say. I'm very sweaty right now, and mosquitoes are still swarming all around despite the bug spray. Alright, I'm gonna get back in the car. I'm gonna head out to some cool viewpoints this time of Big Seven Lake. Alright, so we made it over to a scenic overlook for Big Seven Lake. This is the main, I'd say the main lake here in the state park. Seven Lake State Park became a park back in 1969, and originally this used to be 7 small lakes, but they eventually constructed a dam, and which of course led to higher water levels, so the 7 small lakes became this big lake here, hence the name Seven Lake State Park. Just think about that. But yeah, the views are absolutely incredible from over here. Can't can't really see the lake a whole lot just because of the growth in the trees and the thicket over here, but you can see a little bit more if you come over here in the winter time. But we'll see more of the lake coming up, because as we go down the main park road, there'll be different picnic areas and even a beach for the lake. So there's a huge picnic area over here, and you get a much better view of the lake. Yeah, over here at this picnic area, definitely a beautiful view of the lake, and you can even see the beach all over there. Like a lot of people going for a swim right now. It's not really that warm out. Well, it is, but it's not hot. But still, it's not going to stop people from going swimming, though, I have to say. Alright, so before we conclude the video, we're going to head over to the beach area, and then we're going to walk over to the boat ramp that's all the way out that way for Big 7 Lake. Alright, so we made over to the beach area, and it's like, yeah, I can smell all the barbecue grills going off. Yeah, but a lot of people are enjoying the scenery along the lake on the beach. Grilling probably some hot dogs, chicken, steak, you name it. There's a nice breeze along the lake. Sure could have used this on that hike. Oh well, at least I'm getting a nice breeze here along the beach. And near the beach too, there's also a little area where you can rent a kayak or a boat and go sailing along Big 7 Lake. Oh yeah, a little fun fact, all the way out that way, that is where we were before we got over to the beach area. And all the way over there is the boat ramp, so we're gonna head over there and conclude this video. And made it over to the boat launch area, and unfortunately there is zero legal parking available. But over here, this is where you'd go if you want to get your boat or kayak on the lake. Well, other than the little rental place that's over by the beach. As you can see, I got all the cars that have dropped off their boats here at the boat launch area. On a day like today, it's like, why not? Yeah, they're not allowing you to park on the grass, although people are anyway. Wouldn't surprise me if they all have tickets right now. So we couldn't really conclude the video over the boat launch area because there was no parking, but that's all right. We're gonna still conclude the video over here at the lake. But yeah, had such a nice time here at 7 Lake State Park. Went on a nice hike, although I was attacked by mosquitoes. Again, most mosquitoes I've ever seen here in the state of Michigan. And of course, enjoy the cool views along Big 7 Lake. One thing I forgot to point out too is near where we started the hike at the start of the video today, there is also a campground too. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click that subscribe button to come along and join me for the adventure, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you know when a new video goes live. Well, thank you for watching, and this is Scott of the Scott Man signing out here from 7 Lake State Park near Holly, Michigan.